Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check trending shorts on YouTube. So for this, just open the YouTube app on this Android device. You can also open in iOS. So just tap to the short button. So I will just record it from here. Just allow it. So I will just add my random video. So I will just tap to done. uh, you will till wait while processing. When it's complete processing, the next procedure is to just tap to this tick button. You will see the add sound button. Just tap to add sound button, and from here in the search just type trending. Just simple type to trending and just go for it. So from here you will just tap to official music, because official music is the trending sounds on YouTube shorts. You will see the 1 point some million shorts reel on YouTube. You will see, so this is your trending sound on YouTube shorts. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.